So we have the Lego 3-in-1 Main Street building toy set. This 3-in-1 features a Toy City of Art Deco building, a Market Street hotel, and a cafe music store with 6 minifigures and tons of different options to play with this. Lego recommends this one for ages 9 plus, so let's check out the review. So one thing is that Lego makes it very easy to put these things together. The Legos are numbered, so when you look at the instruction booklet, it coordinates with that. This one in particular, there's 3 different buildings you're doing, and so really you have to figure out which building you're going to build first. My kid, sat and looked at the box for a couple minutes and decided, hey, I want to pick this one out, the Art Deco building, but it can be any one. And the instruction booklet here has 3 instruction booklets for each building as well, so it's very easy to go through and you're not going to get really confused on this. One thing I think it's cool is that Lego designed it where you have the front facing, but then you also have the back facing where you can set up different scenarios so the pieces fit in, so you can play with that as well. Overall, I give this a 5 out of 5. I think it's really well designed. Lego did a good job, and it's very easy to put together. They have the 3 instruction booklets, then all the pieces coordinate in the bag as well. So, a 9-year-old definitely can put this together. If you have someone helping that person, that can make it even fun as well.